My name is Michele Mensch. I'm the head athletic trainer for Longwood High School, and I've been here for 32 years. In high school, I had suffered a knee injury playing soccer. So that brought me into the athletic training room. Ironically, at the time, was my now husband. And so when he was evaluating my injury and explaining to me what had gone on, it made absolute sense that this is what I would be doing as a career. I always knew I was going to come back to Longwood. I loved it here when I was an athlete here. The way I always sold it to the athletes is I always wanted to treat this place like it was a small college. And I thought that the athletes deserved to be treated as college athletes. What I wanted to do is provide exemplary care that they would receive at the next level. And slowly but surely started putting all the pieces in place because we had strong community support. My athletic department as well as my administration said, Michele, if you could create the ideal athletic training room, what would it look like? So I had the vision, but didn't know how I was going to put it in place. Developing a relationship with my distributor, with Henry Schein, Justin Hickam, and Eric Kearns, allowed me to put my vision into a reality. And that's what we did.
Michele has always been like a second mom to me. She's taken care of me no matter what. It was, you're an athlete, you're one of my kids, and that's how she treated us. She calls us her kids. Having this means that she has a lot of respect from administration and from us, so it's helping the profession as well as her. Even though it is for us, it's for her too, and it just shows how much they truly know how much she means to us.
Creating this facility, working with Justin and Eric allowed me to say, okay, having this extra space to expand my ability to provide exemplary care for my student athletes.
Coming in here all the time, it creates a level of interest for you because you see all the stuff that has to do with athletics. It's not just playing, it's the treating the people that play, making them better, allowing them to perform in a better state than they were. Made me quite interested in the field working with her, and it's probably one of the best decisions I've made in my high school career.
One of the reasons why I love Longwood so much, and part of the reason why I came back, is the fact that I've always had great support here. Our programs have such great support here, and I couldn't have done any of this without them. And them recognizing the field of athletic training and sports medicine and the value that it provides our kids in the community as well as our athletic program. And without them, this never would have became a reality.